How many times have you told yourself, I can't do this? How many dreams have you buried just because your mind whispered, it's impossible? Let me tell you something powerful. Your mind believes what you train it to believe. Most people fail not because they don't have the ability, but because they don't have the belief. Every time you say, I can't, you're building walls inside your mind. And every time you say, I can, you're breaking those walls down. The truth is, your mind is like a muscle. If you keep training it with doubt, it will only see obstacles. But if you keep training it with faith, discipline, and positive self talk, it will start to see opportunities where others see problems. Think about every great achiever in history. They were not the smartest, they were not the strongest, but they were the ones who trained their minds to believe, I can, I will, I must. And here is the secret. When your mind accepts, I can, your body follows, your actions follow, and success follows. So, from today, replace every I can't with I can. Replace every doubt with determination. Because if you keep telling yourself I can, one day, you look back and realize you did. Remember this. Your future is shaped by the words you repeat in your head. So train your mind every single day to hear I can. Because the world belongs to those who believe it first inside their mind.